Come here and look at this thing. That's freaky. Wow. Wish he'd move or something. There he's wiggling. Come on, buddy. Is there any more on here? There's a shell. There's a shell. There's oh, two. Wow, there's 4 right there. Oh. Holy cow. There's one. Another one. I've never seen one come out of a thingy, though. That's weird. Those curly things must be his wings. I can't believe them things are in the ground. Yeah, those gotta be his wings. That's weird. I suppose the other ones just climbed up the tree and are getting all hard and
there's another one up there.
Turning into big bugs.
Another shell.
Oh, there's 2 over there. That's freaky. They look like aliens. It's cool how they come out of the middle of their back, though. Looks like this one. Did you leave it behind his eyeball? That's weird. I want to see if he falls to the ground or if he actually turns into a bug and climbs up the tree.
Shells are on this tree. There's one right here.
So it's already come out of there?
Yeah. Oh, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there.
Oh, wow. Did you take those, Jason?
5, 6.
Yeah.
That is weird.
Look at his wings.
Those little green
Okay.
things.
Oh, weird. And don't they end up big?
Yeah, they gotta unfold and...
So it just slowly comes out?
Yeah. He wiggles once in a while.
Oh, there goes his wing, yeah. There goes his wing. So that doesn't bother it? It'll just keep doing it?
Yeah.
Weird.
I wonder where those other ones
Oh,
went.
there's one there.
There's 2 up there.
Up
There's
there,
another one.
So is there certain kind of trees they attach to, or just any?
No, it's out on the ground. There might be some on that little tree over there.
Oh, here he goes. He's wiggling.
Come on, buddy.
That is weird. I have a baby.
Yeah. I don't know. Go ask him if Zach's up. You're a boy.
No,
You don't have to have your hair combed.
no, I just tied it.
Come on, dude, unfold those wings. His eyes look like they're getting darker. Don't they?
His wings look bigger.
He's not as green as what he was. Looks like he's drying out. You're gonna turn into a fine bug someday.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Come on, buddy. Do it. Here they come. Come on. This is gonna be wicked. Oh wow, look at that one.
His other wing unfolded.
Oh dude, he's almost out of it all the way. That's weird. Just don't fall off, man. Just hang tight for a minute. Ooh. He's actually giving himself a piggyback ride. Oh wow, those wings are weird. Look like lettuce. What is today?
Saturday.
No, what number?
First.
Isn't that the 31st?
Oh, yeah.
August 31st? Look at those wings grow. Come on, buddy. I wonder if they climb just as high as they can and then just chill out and turn into a big bug. Look at the bubbles in the wing.
That's weird.
It looks like he's getting a lot darker.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
That one wing just keeps growing.
I'm 42 and I've never seen this. I've seen a ton of adult ones, but I've never seen a baby one. There's another shell.
Yeah, we pointed that one out when we were doing the shoot.
They're getting longer, aren't they?
The second, that's really the biggest thing. There's one behind.
We'll have to go back to the beginning of the video and just see how tiny those wings were just a matter of minutes ago. Oh, hang on. It's getting windy. We gotta give him a name.
Oh, I don't have any ideas.
He was born here. On an ash tree, he was born. Well, actually, he was born in the ground, but he hatched on an ash tree. In Iowa.
A Shiowa? A Shanti?
If it's a girl. Or if it's a boy.
Oh, how do we tell the difference? Ooh,
Call him Ashton. Hang on.
his wings are huge now.
I know, they're just growing like crazy.
Those one wings look like they're just gonna fall off.
Hang on, buddy.
He's slipping.
Come on, just stay on there. There you go. Go to safety. It's weird. Here's one of those giant wasp thingies. Look at him now.
Oh, wow. That'll be cool to put on YouTube. Is that what you're going to do with it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to run to the bank because I can close in like 10 minutes. That is cool. You want a kiss or... Love you.
There, everybody's gonna hear us kiss.
Oh.
'Cause she loves me. She loves me so much.
That is weird. So then it'll just fly away?
Well, he'll probably sit in the tree and make all kinds of noise, like the other ones do. If he'd get all his legs on the tree, I think he'd be better off. I can't believe how long those wings have gotten. It's crazy. You know? I see ya. You see me. I'm not gonna hurt ya. There you go. Wow. That is insane. Are you leaving me?
He's not gonna make it very far with that tree standing in the way.
Well, we'll have to move it. I don't want to freak him out. I'm going to just go ahead and set that on the ground. Grab the rail. Where are you going, man? Stay down here. Look at those wings. That is amazing. Guess that answers my question about what they do once they get out of there. That's insane. I bet probably by tonight, he's making noise. Is he going to the sunny side? Sunny side up? What was his name?
Ashton.
Ashton? We'll see you later, Ashton. That's Ashton's old house. Right there. And he crawled all the way up there. Okay, going up there. He's going to sit in my tree and make all kinds of noise.